Hello my people wey dey watch me. My people, I don carry a ogbonge story. I don carry another story come this evening, this night, wherever you are in your time. God bless you for watching my video. AB Media. So today I bring Dogamighty wey be say they sing Port Harcourt boys you, aging boys you, Port Harcourt boys you. That's your boy. So you see what is happening right now. You with your wife, they are getting a serious problem, a lot of problem that is disturbing them right now. Women have to be very careful. Be very careful for the things you do. Don't trust anybody anymore. Don't trust, you don't know who is who, because you can see what is happening here. I was like, I'm listening to voice notes. There's voice notes that you're going to see that I just dropped. So you'll be hearing everything. And the wife take talk, how they take waka, make them go do jazz, make them go do this one, make them go do juju. I beg our people, ladies, Mona, they be careful. Not a person no go here. Not a person no go here for this una mouth. Women now they fuck up, now they fuck up big time, fuck up. I beg, as I see this, I say, wouldn't you know fit see am? Make I show my people, make them feel watch and see what they happen as they share, as they read for Dogamighty, as they happen when wife they do. So ladies, that's after I can say, ain't no one do. Say na person I carry and come. Say no one do, no one do this, no one do that. We have to be very extra careful. Be very extra careful in anything you do, because I don't understand what is happening. Can you imagine somebody you pay your bride price, somebody you marry, put for your house, you be living one kind of bad life, you be living one kind of talk, and they say you follow one somebody go. They go somewhere. After they go the place, the person say, another woman, and they make your husband, they look you, this and that. I beg, Mona, stop the waka, ladies. Stop the waka. Even though that the one will be lie, even though the one will be truth, you are not gonna know. Stop waka. Too much of a waka. Go here. That is no good. They bad. You go spoil your own home. He say no do anything, no. Say no green. Say they call and say why no one do the thing. He say no one do. Say no be the trans make him bring boss up, you make him bring with a short nigga, the husband short nigga. There's some certain things why I go here like this, my head go to catch fire. I beg, ladies, I beg. Mona take and suffer. I beg, all these things Mona they do. Look una they learn. If you be saying that somebody will need your husband, you will come tell you say your husband as they cheat on you now, go do. You go pursue your husband house, you go enter. You know they send that person. You go pursue for your husband house, you go enter. I beg my people, make it take am easy. Make una they take am easy. Look una dey take am easy, because me I don't understand though.
You said what? I will say it with my own mouth. Please.
Told you to do what?
To call my sister.
That what happened?
That I've been dreaming lately of you cheating always in the night.
I'm coming.
To the house.
Did you see him cheating?
I have not caught you before.
Okay, and what was the next one?
He said I shouldn't worry. That she will come to the house tomorrow, the next day. That she will take me to somewhere.
Okay.
So when she came, I dressed up, I followed her. We went there. It was me, Momsi.
Your mom?
When we went there, we met the woman. Then I told her that I want him to come back, to love me the way he used to love me like before, because now I'm not seeing the love there anymore. That I want my husband to love me. After that, she then told me that this one I'm chasing, that is a woman. My husband is distracted with another woman. That is why she did not tell me who the woman is.
You don't ask.
I didn't ask to.
You don't want to know.
That
woman.
That my husband is distracted with another woman.
Which woman?
She did not tell me.
Okay. And what else?
Then she then said okay, that I should go home. If I go, that I shouldn't worry, that you come home. That when you come home, that I should sweep the room and bring the sand. That I should carry your clothes, your picture, and chair is for me to regain my position. Then boxers that I say boxer, no, short, is a short that she said, not boxers, that she will use it too. Then she said the other things which, because the woman speaks more Igbo, that the other thing that I won't know how to get it, and mama will not know how to get it. Then I should pay 580 something thousand naira, that she will do an assignment. I gave mama the money complete. I forgot about it. That even how many weeks ago she was telling me, when I cried to her about the way you were behaving in Enugu, she was saying that if I did that thing complete, as the woman said, I just abandoned the whole thing like that. So I will say it is my own.
So my people, I don't carry the story come. I say, make una see, make una use una eye do Christmas for myself. Make una see as wetin dey happen and the thing dey shele for our place as e dey hot. Now I say make I tell una, make una see as the woman dey talk. Say maybe say he come go, they come tell am say make he bring the husband short maker. The girl he come say he no go bring, he no even go. Say na so they come dey vex, say why he no bring husband. They come dey tell am say why no wan bring him husband nika, why no do this one. He come say no, you know what, say him mind no gree, he no go do anything, he no gree. So abeg, we have to be very careful. Ladies, we have to be careful. We have to be extra careful. All this waka go to juju house, go to this babalawo, go to Osia, go to this one. All those things dey make us to enter problem. All those things dey make us to enter serious wahala. Abeg, make we dey take am easy. Make we dey take am marriage wey God give you, things wey God give you. God give you a good husband, give you a good everything. What are you looking for? They say, you want to, my husband is cheating. My sister, the only thing you supposed to dey do for your husband is prayer. Put your husband in prayer. Tell God, arrest my husband. Make my husband to remember wherever he is. Let him remember me. Let him remember me. Now so you go to talk. Make him remember you. Your husband, you will see when you put your husband in prayer, your husband will just come back and stay with you. I'm telling you. But when you waka, it will make him to push away. It will still go more. You understand? All those things is not making sense. I'm telling you. So now they tell you, all those things is not making sense. We have to be extra careful for the things we do. I beg, if they do my friend, like this one, we have to be very extra careful in anything we are doing in life, because you don't they see wahala where they share una where they waka, where they go they check see, where they go they check, make them see for you, make them do. I beg, if you did do, I beg, make you admit that you know good, at all. No good at all. I beg, if you dey do am, I beg make it change. Make it change, because all these things is not good. Because that thing dey bring problem for family. You fit be say sometimes pastor fit tell you truth, the person fit tell you truth, but sometimes if he no tell you truth and you go dey use am dey face the man, na wahala. Abeg my people, I dey beg una, na God I take beg una. Abeg, make una dey careful. Make una dey careful for anything wey una dey do. Una wey sabi go to church. Ladies, everyday I go dey sing am. Take am easy. Okay, look at this lady now. This community wife now. Wetin be say you go dey waka say because you're another woman, they carry your husband. You supposed to kneel down or call your husband. Tell am say, what is happening? You don't behave the way you behave. You fit tell your husband say, honey, you're not doing the way you're supposed to do. What is happening to you? Are you okay? You call your husband. No be say you go dey bring problem. No be say you go dey waka waka, dey go babalawo, dey go juju, make e feel be say your husband come, my dear. You do a very big mistake. And this person that take you to that place, you fit be saying na somebody wey be saying I dey for your husband, or if you be saying na the friend of that person wey dey snatch your husband. You no know, they just wan plan for you, make e be say you do bad. You no know they wan plan for you, opportunity they just get you. Abeg, make we dey take am sofri. Oh, this kind life no make sense. Abeg, if you never subscribe to my channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel, like and share, and God will always be blessing you people, because you people are doing my body dey sweet me every day. For the love one una dey show me, for the happiness one una dey show me. Bye bye guys.